Subscribe to Film Companion for your film fix. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.
ये क्या दिन आ गए हैं। या देखो, आलू खुद ही छीलना पड़ रहा है। पहले मैं सिर्फ लोगों के जख्म छीलती थी और अब आलू छीलती हूँ।
Anybody can do it because trust me, I have put a lot of my family members in spot. I put Zorawar in spot and ask him, just say something for the camera, and he'll be like, bro, like I can't do this. I can't do this the way you can do this.
Hey Kusha, welcome to Spill the Tea.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for having me. I'm very, very excited.
Listen, I am in my kitchen because I have volunteered to embarrass myself. I don't cook at all, but aapne bola, and I also sense that right now cookery videos are what are tracking on YouTube. So theek hai, kar lete.
Let's do this. Let's do this. For those of you who can't see my entire frame, हम आज आलू बना रहे हैं जीरा आलू.
You told me to boil some alus. I quickly called my mom. I was like, kitni seeti? So my boiled alus are ready. Let us peel it while we chat.
I would have.
What are we making, and what is the level of expertise required to make this dish?
No level of expertise, just like just hands that can move. Pretty much that, because literally there is no science here, no science here, no extreme level of skills. ये मेरी मम्मी का बनाए हुए उनकी डिश है, उनकी रेसिपी है जीरा आलू, तो हम वो बना रहे हैं. And I've got the biggest aloo that there could be. I am amazed at the size of this aloo. This is the first time in lockdown कि मैंने इतना बड़ा आलू का size देखा है.
No, but are you a lockdown master chef, or are you one of those who finds cooking therapeutic and all of that jazz?
I won't call myself a master chef. मतलब मैं इतनी delusional नहीं हूँ life में. But for sure, I have learned cooking in lockdown because it like gave a lot of perspective to me कि wow, मैं अपने आप को adult बोलती हूँ, but am I really an adult if I can't even cook?
100%. I'm surviving only because my husband turned out to be quite the revelation.
It's fantastic, which is good for you.
It's great for me. Listen, what would a South Delhi auntie be like in the kitchen? एक sample हो जाए?
South Delhi auntie.
ये क्या दिन आ गए हैं। या देखो, आलू खुद ही छीलना पड़ रहा है। पहले मैं सिर्फ लोगों के जख्म छीलती थी और अब आलू छीलती हूँ। It has become really, really annoying. But ठीक है, देर आए दुरुस्त आए। सुबह का भूला अगर शाम को घर आए तो उसको बिल्ली कह दे।
It's really funny, you know, when people ask me that do something improv, and I'm just like, what if the joke that comes out of my like my mouth, it doesn't land, you know? Constantly in that fear. I feel like one interview I was watching, and one of the comics was saying that आप ऐसे हमको बोलते हैं ना कि जोक करके दिखाओ. It's almost like a mother telling their kid, बेटा डांस करके दिखाओ, sexy. Then you have to dance.
No, exactly. You never know if it's going to land. And I wanted to ask you, to the rest of us, your job looks like one hell of a party. You're just having a South Delhi blast. You're at home. You're being funny and all. You're sitting on tons of followers. What's the biggest myth about your job that you'd like to bust?
That it's easy, that anybody can do it, because trust me, I have put a lot of my family members in spot. I put Zorawar in spot and ask him, just say something for the camera, and he'll be like, bro, like I can't do this. I can't do this the way you can do this. So I feel like people need to understand. I know a lot of times when people watch my videos, and when I used to watch other people's videos, I used to be like, oh, ये तो मैं बहुत आसानी से कर लूँगी. But it's really tough. You have to understand. You have to see what really clicks with people, and there's a lot of thought that goes into it, a lot of personal sacrifices. So for sure, it's not easy. It's not easy as it looks. We make it look easy.
Yeah, I was wondering, over the past few years that I've been consuming your content, I've seen you talk about everything from being overweight, from having acne, from having excessive body hair. It made me wonder, as a content creator on the internet, do you still have the luxury of holding on to some vanity and some privacy, or is your success correlated with how much of your real self you're willing to put out?
which is a conflict I face all the time, because मैं बहुत बार ऐसा होता है स्नेहा, when I'll be like, ये भी डाल दूंगी तो फिर बचेगा क्या, मतलब what is for me to enjoy and consume, right? And then see, I'll tell you, a lot of people make vlogs, right? A lot of people make vlogs on YouTube, and I feel like the more personality, the more of yourself you put out there, the better it performs. And I am somebody who really badly, desperately wants to vlog, because I genuinely feel that people have only seen me as character, but I think myself as a person, like me myself as a person, I could be interesting. But then vlogging requires so much of your own personality, of your own life to be out there, because everything is fair game. Then everything becomes content. Everything is for everybody to consume. Then nothing is really left of you. So that's something you have to ask yourself, which is the reason why I still push characters. I still push like comedy sketches, because I want to delay that thing as much as I can and maybe never get into it.
But your vacation, even on vacation, you're creating content. Your husband is now the star of so many of your videos. What does switching off mean to you? मतलब वो line कहाँ है आपके लिए?
There is a very small fraction actually that people get to see about me, my relationship, or my marriage online. I speak about other things, but I don't speak about a lot of things. I don't speak about my family so much. Like, there is very little of my family you'll find online. There is very little of my siblings you'll find online, because it's absolutely not comfortable being online, because I know they will be subject to scrutiny. At the same time, I am very, very careful of what I want to share when it comes to Zorawar. And in lockdown, I have dramatically tried to reduce it, because I knew he's going to be with me all the time. And it's like a big boss house here. But I was like, I have to focus on me as a performer and less on our relationship, because you tend to. Because there are funny moments of a couple, and you were like, let me just quickly make a video of this. But you have to find that line. And I think I have found it.
अच्छा, आलू का क्या करना है अभी?
आलू तो अभी काटने हैं, मैं तो अभी सिर्फ छीलने के स्टेज पर आई हूँ. So yeah.
Okay.
Cut them in like small square pieces.
Small squares.
Yeah.
ठीक है. अच्छा Kusha, I want to know from you, do you have like a routine? Like, is there a drill? What do you do or not do once you upload a video on the internet?
There is a drill, of course. You see how the video is done in the first 10 minutes. I think in the first 10 minutes tell you how well the video is going to perform. It's a truth. And a lot of people might tell me, oh, no, that's not true. The video might pick up later, but that happens on other platforms. For Instagram, which is my platform, I can tell you, you can know in the first 10 seconds how people would respond to your video. And the number of comments I will get in the first 10 minutes will tell me how many comments this video might get. Earlier, when I initially started, or maybe say in the first year, I did obsess over the numbers. I did obsess, oh, I'm going to respond to every person. But now I take about 10 minutes. I respond to the first few comments, and then I just go about doing my thing. You're as good as your last video. I personally believe this, because the internet memory is so short. It's so fleeting. That I don't think it's the way movies work. You know, you'll remember an actor for the best thing that they ever did. But for internet, people constantly want you to churn out more and churn out more content. They will not be like, I've created so many characters, but that is not enough. And that's something that I feel a little like there's a little discrepancy there in my personal ethics and how the internet works. So that is something I'm constantly fighting with.
No, but this lockdown also with creators has become such a productivity contest. Do you have the luxury of saying कि आज mood नहीं है बनाने का या फिर writer's block चल रहा है? वो is that option available?
In lockdown, I haven't taken a lot of off. I haven't taken a lot of day off. But yes, there are days when I wake up and I'm like, oh my god, I don't feel like moving. But usually by like noon or something, I'm like, let's do something, you know, because people need to understand, creators, creating is like their day job. Like how for you, I'm sure, like planning something or planning a full, like you planned this thing with me, like we'll cook. So this is great, right? It's a whole process for us. Like people have day jobs, they log into their laptops and everything, and they go on Zoom meetings. For us, it's picking up the camera, thinking of an idea, trying it out, and if it really works, uploading it. So that's our day job, and I feel like people should consider that that's how it really works for us.
But what happens at a time when your office, which is the internet, is just extremely toxic?
Yeah.
What do you do then?
I have spoken about it. I have spoken about the times when I felt very, very affected by whatever happens online. Also, the thing is, perception is a very, very big thing. I feel like there is, on one side, there is herd mentality. At the same time, there is very little verification of what's really out there. People are very quick to view things in black and white. There is very little place for nuance. Recently, I was roasted, so that was something that obviously made me sort of sit down and like take stock of how much will I let this affect myself. And I did let it affect myself to an extent, but then you get back up, you understand things from other perspectives, you try to bring out your own perspective, and then yeah, the show must go on, and the show must also sort of rest when it needs to take a rest.
Should we move to aloo cutting stage?
Aloo cutting stage though, I'm almost done. Now I'm just
Okay.
waiting for the biggest aloo, which is
Huh.
there. So yeah.
You please guide me on next steps.
Okay, done. I will.
This is so funny that I'm having this extremely intense conversation with someone while cutting aloo. It had to be you, Kusha.
But you know, it has to be food. You know, when you food, I mean, for those who get it and for those who understand it, it is very, very therapeutic. Let me please tell you that.
Listen, good food has got me through lockdown. I'll say it as simply as that.
So cooking.
Can't.
I remember when the whole roast thing happened, I used to actually, I used to listen to music, Satya soundtrack, because that's my favorite original soundtrack ever. And I would listen to it. I would make chutney, I would make aloo, and I would just completely zone out of the whole thing. Because, you know, my team saw that how weirdly affected I was. And I was also like really beating myself for it. That why the hell are you so affected? So I would channel that into cooking, and that really helped me. So cooking is therapeutic. Let me just put it out there.
Listen, there's no way you could have been unaffected by that. You are but human.
Okay, so should we go to the kitchen? I'm just gonna.
Please.
Here. Okay,
I'm
Sham-
in your kitchen right now. Have you ever done an interview in your kitchen?
No, I had to do I had to do some roast in my kitchen, like some cooking roast, but it didn't happen. But it'll happen soon. So this is the first one.
Excellent. So we have cut aloo. What happens now?
So we're just gonna put the just medium flame. No, actually medium flame would be good. And I'm gonna take some oil without the brand. No branding, guys. It's olive oil.
Not unless you're willing to pay for this.
Yes, I understand. I am going to make sure that Film Companion does everything perfectly. It doesn't give too much away. Be very, very generous with the oil.
Acha, okay.
So maybe I don't measure it in tablespoons.
Guys, wow. Are you serious, Neena? Did it? I turned on the gas.
I made
So
some
the-
jeera powder at home in the morning.
What powder?
Jeera powder. I love it.
Huh.
Okay, so the thing is nice. I'm going to pour some oil. I've just added oil. Actually, a lot of oil.
Huh.
Oh my god. Flaming hot kadai. Oil. So yeah. This is too much fun. I did not realize how much fun this is going to be. I absolutely enjoy it. So
So
now
aloo
हम जाएंगे उस स्टेप पर जिस स्टेप में आपको अपना फेस शील्ड पहन लेनी चाहिए. सिर्फ कोविड के लिए नहीं, स्टेप के लिए भी फेस शील्ड पहननी चाहिए. तो जिसके आप इसमें जीरा डालेंगे.
अच्छा ये जीरा है क्या?
यहाँ से तो ये हल्दी लग रही है. नो जीरा. सी
मैं अक्खा जीरा डालने वाली हूँ.
ये देखिए ना, ये वाला. हाँ, this I hope आपका जीरा है because honestly मैं ये इस कॉल के पिक्सेल्स अलाउ नहीं कर रहे हैं. This is exactly what I wanted. You know, one of my really like there's a creator I love. I'm sure everybody knows her, Shrishti Dikshit. She did a meme on this. Every time I put jeera, this is what happens. I'm so far away from it. I love that my camera setting is in a way where I don't even have to be close to it. So,
अच्छा next what do I do? ये जल रहा है.
थोड़ा अपना flame कम कर लीजिए.
हाँ.
I'm gonna go for my. Earlier I used to cook so like. I used to be so scared cooking. Now I'm just like, yeah, whatever. Like, just put more jeera, have fun. I've got this.
I'm not feeling like that. I'm having an anxiety attack.
I know, I can see that. This is me when the lockdown started. Now I'm just like, whatever. सबसे low पे
आलू डालूं कि नहीं?
अभी नहीं डालना. You have dhania powder.
Yes.
Put like a good 1 spoon of it.
हाँ.
Take your what do you call this, dude? This is stirrer. What do you call this? What do you call this?
A spatula.
Is this doesn't a spatula, like, isn't it more flexible? Doesn't it move?
Yeah, it's meant to be more flexible. Stirrer जो भी है. Shit.
I mean, yeah. Put
I
some.
promised my husband that he doesn't need to cook because I'm cooking. This better shape up.
You have haldi? I have the last of haldi.
I have haldi.
डाल दीजिए हल्दी भी. Oh my god, it smells so nice in here. I've definitely put a lot of oil.
Mirchi?
You have hing?
Yes.
You know why we put hing in our food, which I didn't know.
Questions. Dalu?
So that
I don't ask too many questions, I said.
I love this. I absolutely love this. You know what? I've become the interviewer and you've become the interviewee. I love this. I absolutely love this. Only have changed. We put hing because so that you don't have any acidity problems. For example, in gobi, when you put hing, gobi gives you really bad stomach and bloating, but people still eat it. Put some lal mirch.
Huh. At least know the names of this stuff.
You can always label them, you know.
Yes, that is true.
My mom, when she helped me shift, she labeled everything. But now I know everything. Now I'm good. Now I don't worry. You have amchur.
I'm not going to pretend like I know what that is.
You have chaat masala, chunky chaat masala.
हाँ वो तो होगा.
Dadaji ka chunky chaat masala. I feel people will know who I'm talking about without showing the brand. This guy is immortal. Chaat. Put chaat masala.
Oh my god, you're sure this is working out now?
Is it become black? Has it become black?
Slightly, yes.
Oh, yeah. Put your aloo then. Oh, put namak also. Never forget namak.
Oh man. Acha, listen, I'm getting back into my interviewer role.
Yeah.
You are sitting on 1 million followers, over 1 million followers on just your Instagram. Let's take a minute to let that sink in. Who's the most famous person that follows you?
Who's the most famous person that follows me? Has to be Katrina Kaif, no? She has the most number of followers, I'm guessing, who follows me. Is your aloo fine? Can I see it?
Okay.
Oh my god. Going good, girl. Just
Good. Keep stirring.
stirring and then just we'll cover it.
Oh, we covered it? Great.
I'm also going to show how this looks. Oh god.
Oh, yum. Yum, yum. So we're going to have the same lunch today, which
Yeah,
is great.
we are. I'm going to just ऊपर से give a little jeera powder.
वापस से?
हाँ, मतलब we like.
You're just having fun now.
Yeah, I mean, है इतना jeera, I'll put it. And it makes it really nice. It's almost like a garnish.
Interesting. Yeah, if only I knew what was jeera powder.
You don't have to put it. I made it, so I'm putting it. I'm just gonna quickly wash my hands.
Okay, okay.
I also have some dhania here.
Fresh dhania.
It says red chili powder on it.
Oh, I found jeera powder.
Yeah, very little. Put very little.
Okay, okay. I have FOMO. I was like, how can her dish taste better than mine?
I love it. You know, that's exactly how aunties in my society work. Or you can switch off the thing.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, switch it off.
Whoa.
Give it a good stir and just switch. I hope it's nice. And if it's not, I mean, what am I going to really do?
It's looking nice.
So yeah, I'm just going to come here.
What were you like when you discovered your first fan club?
A lot of people thought I have made it. My friends for sure thought I have made it. And I could have made it. I could have genuinely made it. But she's a girl. I'm actually in touch with all of the women who run my fan clubs. They're all girls. They're all, I would not even call them millennials. They're all Gen Z. And one is Sonia. Shout out to her. She's from Singapore. She is 23 years old. Another one is Nandana. She is going to go to college. She's really upset. She's not upset. She's a little uncertain about how things are going to be because she was to go to college this year. And
So you were personally invested in each of these guys. You know their stories.
You should know. You should, because how many times such things are handed over to you where somebody actually dedicates their time to write about you and to amplify your content. I had a Zoom call with them 2-3 weeks ago. And it was during the time when, so the third one, I can't take her name because she likes to be, she doesn't want to be named, but she's also a doctor. So, you know, like, it's insane. 3 of them are, what do I say, man? I'm very blessed. I'm very, very blessed.
On a more fun note, what's the craziest thing you've used your fame for? So you may kuch mila hoga na?
I really like to tell you two things I've used it for, and I will tell you because I feel कभी भी किसी के साथ होगा तो ये 2 चीजें जरूर करेंगे. सबसे पहले तो एक क्लब में एंट्री चाहिए थी मुझे. I have used my fame to get my friends get entered in a club, and I know इसके लिए आपको famous होने की जरूरत नहीं. अगर आप दिल्ली से हैं और आप जानते हैं लोगों को मेरा कौन है तो भी आपको एंट्री मिल सकती है. बट मैंने ये अपने like there is a club I can literally call like let my 10 friends go in and they'll let them go in. So वो तो सबसे बड़ा फ्लेक्स है. अगर आप अपने दोस्तों को बता सको कि you can use your fame to like so that they can benefit, वो सबसे अच्छा है. Because I'm really invested in my friends. And second will have to be to get better seats on a plane. Okay, we don't travel business. How people assume कि 1 million followers है तो business travel करती होगी. ऐसा तो बिल्कुल नहीं है. Business travel सिर्फ 2 लोग करते हैं. बहुत अमीर लोग और celebrities. Okay, you have to be very, very rich to be able to travel first class or business class. I travel obviously economy and on clients' money. So clients are not going to be like Bombay आ रहे हो तो business class में आ जाओ. So definitely to get better seats, aisle seats, window seats, and like, hey, Nayana, Shabam.
Acha, this is not a kinky question in any way, but I want to know, Gharpik, are you like ever playing characters at home? Then
You're basically asking me if I role play with my husband, right? You can ask me kinky questions. I've made a video on sex toys, which is the video I got roasted for. So you can ask me anything.
But are these characters forever like popping up in life as well?
I mean, how? Like, imagine like if I'm with my husband, hello ji beta ji, mood mein lag rahe ho. He'll be like, please, kaun hai aap? Aap 50 saal ki aunty hai. It'll be like milk.
Oh God, so cool. We've set that record straight.
No role playing. He likes me. He married me. He didn't marry these characters.
Oh God! Listen, I want to try this aloo before I finally let you go.
I hope it's nice because it's not. If it's not nice, it's not on me. Okay, because I was.
It's not on you, babe. Very good, yeah.
Yeah.
Very good.
अगर नमक वमक कम हो, ऊपर से कुछ डालना हो, so please feel free, do it. It'll be too much fun.
No, I'm very happy.
You know, now she can't even say it's bad because this is just make the whole point of the interview.
I have mastered this face after all the
Tom,
cooking and tea and everything. I've mastered my post reaction.
बहुत सुंदर I have to pretend like it's really nice. So, very good.
Listen, at least this way it's really not on you. But I usually get someone to make something for me. तब मुश्किल हो जाता है.
But this is, you know, this masala that I've just told you, इसमें आप कुछ भी डाल सकते हैं. इसमें
You can't really go wrong, ना?
No, ये मतलब इंडियन मसाले हैं. इंडियन मसाले इतने ही ज्यादा वर्सेटाइल और इतने मतलब अडेप्टिंग है. इसमें आप कुछ भी डाल सकते हैं. इसमें आप मशरूम डाल दीजिए, इसमें आप कैप्सिकम डाल दिए. और I have fully become a chef now, so I should really shut the fuck up.
No, and also to be at a place where you're creating along with so many other wonderful creators, and all the better for people like me because we just get to become absolute Instagram addicts. So thank you for doing that.
You should make videos. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, you should. But I actually now meet people and go like, तुम्हें videos बनानी चाहिए. And they'll be like, whoa, where did that come from? And I was like, bro, I can see it.
Ooh, I'm going to hold on to that thought. But thank you so much for chatting with me and for actually getting me into the kitchen.
Yes.
This is a big deal.
Yes, everybody should get into kitchen. Cooking is a life skill, guys. It is not gendered. Thank you.
Thank you.
हेलो जी बेटा जी, आप ही अकेले हैं जिन्होंने फिल्म कंपेनियन को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया. मैं तो पूरे दिन सब्सक्राइब किया. मैं तो प्रिस्क्राइब भी करती हूँ आपको. आप ना ले लो, आपको दवा चाहिए ना, ये वाली दवा लो. इस पे ना मैं बहुत देर देर तक इंटरव्यू देखती हूँ. कभी कभी तो मुझे लगता है मेरा इंटरव्यू हो रहा है और मैं ना जवाब देने शुरू हो जाती हूँ. फिर अनुपमा कहती तेरे को नहीं कर रही स्टूपिड. ये तो उसने मेरे को ना स्नेहा भेजती है. और थैंक यू अनुपमा, थैंक यू सो मच.